Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Deck. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can create text stroke slide animation like this into your Elementor page. I have added this in Elementor Pro, so you have to install Elementor Pro first, then you can create this animation into your page. So let's go to your Elementor page builder where I will show you how to create it from scratch. So here on my Elementor page builder, first of all I will design the section layout. So I will click on this plus button and add a new section. I will make its height to fit to screen and go to style. I will change its background type to classic and select out dark background color. Now I will click on this plus button and drag in an heading widget. Now type your text here. I will type text stroke slide. Now I will align it to the center and I will go to style. First of all I will change its color to white so it will clearly visible. Now I will change its typography. I will increase its size to 80. Its weight I will increase to 800 and now I will transform it to uppercase. Now it will look like that. Now I will apply text stroke slide animation on this text. So to apply animation, go to advanced, scroll down and here you can see the custom CSS option. You cannot add custom CSS in the Elementor free, you have to install Elementor Pro to add CSS code there. Now I will add my CSS code here. And here it is. You can see this cool text stroke slide animation works, but this stroke was not clearly visible. So for this I will go back to style and here I will change the text color to transparent. Now you can see the animation clearly. Now here you in the custom CSS you can see here I have added this my text. You have to use your heading text here that you will add, and here you can change the color. You can type red there and you can see the color of the animation was changed. You can use any of hex code there. Now you can see the color was changed, but I will use the default one so it will look like that. Now don't forget to update the page. After updating I will click on the side button to preview the changes. Now here it is. You can see the cool text stroke slide animation on your page. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.